And this is part 2 of the entire job. If you missed part 1, please click in the description below. Let's get started. Alright, and before going any further, here is the torque specification for all of these bolts here on the intake manifold. 10mm bolt, 10 in total. And here is the order in which you're gonna be tightening them. And in case if you're gonna do something with the starter has two 14mm bolts, and you tie those bolts 34 foot-pounds.
Pesado, ¿sabes? ¿Le aguanto ahí? And we're gonna start by cleaning the intake here. I'm not gonna be showing how to clean this. I mean, it's very easy, so always clean the intake here. We're gonna clean the intake manifold here. We're gonna replace the gasket right there. After cleaning the grooves here, we're gonna go ahead and install this gasket. Do not put any kind of sealing here. The holes here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And once you install the gaskets on this intake manifold, you make sure you install it immediately and make sure the surface on the engine block is already cleaned and everything. And don't drag it or put it on the floor or anything like that. It has to go from here directly to being installed. Just take a quick look, make sure nothing is inside here, because once you install the intake manifold, that will be a big problem. As I said, every time you're gonna move it, just lift it up and sit it again, even though it's not in the right position. But every time you're gonna move it, you have to lift it up and sit it again. Do not drag it at all, because you're gonna get the gaskets out of place. Make sure the bolts are cleaned. Alright, this one is the last one there, all the way in the corner. Just hold it very well, because if you drop it, you might have to take the intake manifold out, because it's gonna go inside there. Make sure you let it go until it goes inside the hole. And the torque specification for this bolt, 10mm bolts, the 10 of them, 73 inch-pounds. And in case if you're gonna do the starter, those are 14mm bolts that come from the other side, but they are accessible. You torque them 34 foot-pounds. This bracket, two 10mm bolts, one here and another one here. Make sure they go all the way inside by hand. We're gonna crank the engine. My friend is inside already, but first he's gonna prime the fuel pump since the lines are empty right now by opening the ignition switch about 3 times and let it for a few seconds every time. So once that happens, we're ready to turn on or to crank the engine. Listo? Ready? Yes. Alright, the problem has been fixed. No problem. So everything is fine. Thanks for watching this video and God bless you all.